Ready to level up your Facebook game with a custom, eye-catching cover photo, even if you're rocking an older version of Photoshop. First, let's open up Adobe Photoshop 7 and create a new document. Click on the File menu, then New. Now, the most crucial step: setting the dimensions for Facebook cover photos. The recommended size is 820 pixels by 312 pixels tall. Type those numbers into the width and height fields. Next, you can choose the background color. The default is white. You can select a different background color with the background contents option, or keep it transparent since the goal is to create an image. White works just fine for now. Then, click OK. Here's your blank canvas. Now, we'll explore a couple of basic tools you can use to design your cover photo. First, let's grab the rectangle tool from your left-hand toolbar to create a simple shape. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangle. Notice you can change the fill color, outline, and other properties. Play around to create something you like. Next, let's add some text. Select the Type tool also on the toolbar. Click on the canvas and start typing your desired text. You can adjust the font, size, and color in the options bar at the top. Everything you create in Photoshop is organized using layers. You can see them in the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. You can select any object in the Layer panel to change its properties. Once you are happy with your design, click File, then Save As. Choose a JPG or PNG file. Save it in your preferred location. Now upload the saved file to your Facebook profile, and there you go. You've created a custom Facebook cover photo using Adobe Photoshop 7. Even if it is an older version, you still got this.